Tim mar Kenya mar rugby mar jotugo manie bwo higni 20 chipu kawuono noloyo Tunisia 56-17. Tunisia ema nokuongo telo ne Kenya gi points 5 ka bang'e to ne ginenore mol gino manomiyo yawuot Kenya mijing'o e tugo goeko. Kenya notelo gi points 26 kuom 5 kanochopo saa yueyo. Ka bang'e no ndegi beko tol ma gimiyo Tunisia thuolo momedo point moko 12. Kane firimbi mogiko ywak to Kenya noseloyo 56 kuom 17.
Yes, it is bad news in favor of Tunisia, but Tunisia once again they can't deal with that high ball and they are really struggling. And looks like
fantastic jumper from their back rower there, Tunisia. Misaoui doing a good job, but Recep looking at a jersey number 16 for Tunisia.
But that was a beautiful pass. I mean, under normal circumstances, he could have caught that ball, but I do go. That stretches the Kenyan lead to 49 points to 17. The Tunisians are surely...